HomeMaster Whole House. HomeMaster Whole House Review. Best drinking water filter for well water. For the best drinking water filter for well water, consider installing a HomeMaster Whole House water filter. Suppose you drink from the tap or fill a glass from the fridge, and well water is the source flowing into your home. In that case, you need a whole house system that removes up to 95% of VOCs, herbicides, pesticides, iron, and sediment, and leaves the critical healthy minerals your body requires. HomeMaster's two-stage filtration system uses a 4-layer sediment filtration at the source without drawing down water pressure. A second filter reduces harmful amounts of iron. The third radial flow filter, packed full of granule activated coconut shell carbon, works hard to remove dangerous chemicals. You'll get up to 100,000 fresh, healthy, purified drinking water. That's enough water for a year for a family of 4. HomeMaster systems feature large standard 1-inch filter housing and 1-inch ports for easy installation to your existing plumbing. Both help deliver impressive water pressure to every water source, up to 13 to 15 gallons per minute. So before purchasing a HomeMaster, review a water report from your local or municipal health department to ensure compatibility. The HomeMaster weighs 48 pounds and measures 24 by 9 by 25 inches and can filter well water in your home from 40 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Warranty: 2-year limited warranty on HomeMaster parts. Pros: starts filtering immediately. Quality manufacturing. Best iron removal system in the market. Cons: weekly filter replacement. $500 professional plumber installation. Quit working after 2 weeks.